Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Servicetitan. In this tutorial, we're diving into the essential features that make Servicetitan a vital tool for anyone in the service industry. Let's explore the user interface of Servicetitan. It's designed to be intuitive with key features easily accessible for all users. To get started, we'll guide you through setting up your Servicetitan account and adjusting your basic configurations. Creating and managing customer profiles is crucial. We'll show you how to effectively add and update customer information. Scheduling and dispatching jobs is streamlined in Servicetitan. Here's how to manage your appointments efficiently. Next, we will go over the invoicing and payment processing options available through Servicetitan. Understanding your business performance is key. We'll demonstrate how to use Servicetitan's reporting tools effectively. Let's share some tips for optimizing your workflow and boosting productivity with Servicetitan. Finally, let's not forget about the ability to integrate Servicetitan with other tools and platforms for enhanced functionality. Thank you for watching. For more resources and support, don't hesitate to reach out and visit our website.